There are 3 things you must have if you want to make real money online: a website with fresh quality content, traffic, and once you get the traffic flowing, you've got to turn those visitors into buyers. Everyone out there makes it all sound so easy to get everything set up and start making money online. You hear people talking about the internet lifestyle and working smarter, not harder, but it's not so easy. The internet lifestyle for most online marketers isn't sipping cocktails next to a pool while working on a laptop for a few minutes each day. Far from it. If you're like most online marketers, you're struggling. You're spending a lot of hours and probably some late nights trying to get things set up, and it can be pretty complicated. To get your website set up, you either need some design and coding skills, or you're looking at spending hundreds of dollars or more to outsource it. And if you manage to get your website set up, getting traffic is hard for almost everyone. Most free traffic methods take forever to kick in, and paid traffic takes time to master, which means you're spending money to learn how to get results. No thanks. Assuming you get your website up and you're able to get some traffic flowing, you then have to turn that traffic into money in your pocket. That means you need to get your visitors to buy something. Whether it's an affiliate offer or your own offer, converting your traffic into profit isn't as easy as most people think. The good news is we've created a newbie-friendly software that does all of this for you on autopilot with just a few minutes of your time required. And once it's set up, it keeps working for you on autopilot to get your traffic and make you money. Introducing Traffikrr. By looking at the name of this easy-to-use plugin, you might assume that Traffikrr is simply a traffic-getting software. But getting you free traffic is just the beginning with Traffikrr. With the click of your mouse, Traffikrr will go to work creating an awesome website for you filled with the freshest video content from YouTube. All you have to do is enter the link to any YouTube channel into the software, and Traffikrr will have your website up and running in minutes. But it doesn't end there. Every 30 minutes, Traffikrr will search the channel you selected for fresh videos and automatically add them to your website. This is huge because fresh content better engages your visitors and will ultimately get you more traffic and sales. Once your website is up, Traffikrr will automatically post the videos it finds on YouTube to any Facebook page you choose to link to the software. The videos posted to Facebook are linked to your new website, getting you tons of free traffic on autopilot. And remember, every time Traffikrr finds a new video on YouTube, it automatically posts it to your website and to Facebook. So the traffic just keeps coming, making you even more money. But it doesn't stop there. When someone clicks on a video on your newly created website, an overlay ad pops up that you can link to any offer you choose. The overlay ads are fully customizable, and someone must visit the site or offer you've linked to if they want to view the video. This works for affiliate offers, CPA, e-com, or your own offers. You can even use Traffikrr to get opt-ins and build your email list. And making money with the video overlay ads is just the beginning. Customize your new site any way you want and have ads scattered all over your site. Promote one affiliate offer or many. The choice is yours, and you don't ever have to worry about coding anything. Everything is easy to customize with a point and a click. And of course, you can always crank these sites out and flip them for pure profit. The winning recipe for flipping a website is having quality content and traffic. And the websites created with Traffikrr have both, so you can easily bank lump sum payments of hundreds of dollars or more right into your PayPal account. And remember, you only have to spend a couple of minutes posting a YouTube channel link and plugging in some settings while Traffikrr does everything else for you. Traffikrr is simple for anyone to use. It's 100% newbie friendly. You never have to create any content or do any design or coding. If you can point and click your mouse, you can use Traffikrr to get unlimited traffic and make a lot of money. It would take countless hours to do everything that Traffikrr does for you the old-fashioned way. And if you decided to outsource everything that Traffikrr does, it would easily set you back thousands of dollars. Because Traffikrr will save you time, save you money, and quickly make you lots of money, we originally planned to charge $97 per month for this powerful tool. But during this special introductory launch, we've slashed the price so that anyone can afford this game-changing software. When you choose an option below, you'll get lifetime access to Traffikrr for a low one-time investment. But please don't wait. The price is going up quickly, and if you come back later to get this, you'll end up having to pay a lot more for this money-making software. To make it really easy to get going now, we're including some money-making bonuses for free. And you get a full 30 days to test drive Traffikrr with no risk. If for any reason you're not 100% satisfied with Traffikrr after giving it a try, just let us know and we'll get you a prompt refund. Because there is no risk, the only way you can lose is if you miss out on getting Traffikrr at this discounted price right now. Imagine spending a few minutes today to get this set up and then waking up day after day to tons of free traffic and sales on complete autopilot. You can literally set it up and forget about it, and the traffic and sales just keep flowing in. Traffikrr works hard so you don't have to. If you're tired of doing all the hard stuff yourself and you like the idea of leverage and working smarter, not harder, then Traffikrr is for you. Choose an option below right now and get your hands on Traffikrr before the price goes up. Traffikrr before the price goes up.
Hi, it's Lee here from the Traffikrr team, here to introduce and talk you through Traffikrr, the brand new piece of software coming to the market. Now, it's an exceptionally simple piece of software to use and an incredibly powerful software because it can create pages on Facebook and other social media networks that are linked to websites that are created on autopilot the very second content is created by viral content creators. So it is exceptionally powerful, but as I say, it is really simple to use. So as you can see on my screen, I've got the piece of software up and running, and I've already got a number of campaigns loaded into it so I can talk you through it. Now, if you just want to create a brand new campaign, we go to the Add New Source, and I'll just quickly show you all of the options that we've got here. We can obviously link it to categories on our site. We can connect it up to a Facebook fan page or profile, as well as linking to Twitter, LinkedIn and Tumblr. So we're going to be automatically sharing every single post that we create to up to 4 different social networks. So we're building a massive network of links and pages and shares, which is really cool. So next we can introduce a YouTube creator, which is really cool. The next section is where we can change how it's going to be displayed. So it's going to be shared on the social networks. We're going to want to possibly introduce some form of additional comment so that when it's shared on these sites, we might want to remind people to share and like the page, or something else. We may want to put a link so that every time that it's shared, there's an additional link there, or some emojis, however we want. Okay, we've also got the opportunity to add content on the actual website. So when we're going to be creating these posts, we can create a lot of text where we could be talking about products, we could be linking out to products, etc. Another powerhouse of the software is that we can put overlays over the videos. So as the videos are being played, there can be adverts and there can be email opt-ins on the upgrade. Okay. And the rest of the page is basically about getting it going and getting it working. So let's just jump across to Facebook quickly, and we can see we've got a post here. We can see that it's added some content prior to the title of the video, which is pretty cool. Got some emojis that people like. So we click on the post. This is going to direct us over to the website that we have been able to create on autopilot. We can see that there's the video. Let's click play. And after a couple of seconds, we've got this advert. This one is an email opt-in, so people can put their opt-in in, and we can set up for whatever autoresponder we want, which could be pretty cool. We can cross it off if we want and continue with the video. Let's just go back to the home page of the site and have a look around. So as you can see, it's auto-posted a lot of content here. We've got trending videos. It's posting a lot of content on a very regular basis, which is really cool. Let's click on another one and see one of the other different types of adverts that we've got. So click here, and this one, image. We've got an image advert on this one, and then the person can click there. And for this purpose, it's set up for an Amazon affiliate, which is pretty cool. So if someone goes and purchases that, you get a little commission, which is nice. So there you go. So it's really cool bit of software. It's creating all of these posts on autopilot all the time, and it's sharing to the social platforms. As we say, there's Facebook, there's Twitter, there's LinkedIn, Tumblr. So you're creating this massive network of shares and posts, and you're able to monetize it in multiple ways: adverts, email opt-ins, adverts on the site. I've been late. I'll see you later.